Earth's gravitational force. Do you know? In the previous grade, we have learnt about the high and low tides that occur regularly in the sea. The level of seawater at any given location along the seashore increases and decreases twice a day at regular intervals. The timings of tides are different at different places. The level of water in the sea changes due to the gravitational force exerted by the moon. Water directly under the moon gets pulled towards the moon, and the level of water there goes up, causing high tide at that place. At two places on the earth at 90 degrees from the place of high tide, the level of water is minimum and low tides occur there. Before entering the sea water for enjoyment, we must take adequate care regarding the timings of the tides. Otherwise, it can lead to serious accidents. The velocity of an object thrown vertically upwards goes on decreasing, and after reaching a certain height, its velocity becomes 0. After that, the object starts falling down. Do you know why does this happen? The Earth attracts every object near it towards itself because of the gravitational force. The center of mass of the Earth is situated at its center, so the gravitational force due to the Earth on any object is always directed towards the center of the Earth. It is due to this force the object falls vertically downwards on the Earth. When we throw an object vertically upwards, the gravitational force pulls the object and reduces its velocity. Since the gravitational force is constantly applied on the object, the velocity of the object becomes 0 after a while. It is due to this force that the object starts moving vertically downwards towards the center of the Earth. Now, can you tell what does the maximum height attained by an object depend on? The maximum height attained by the object depends upon the velocity with which the object was thrown. According to Newton's law of gravitation, every object attracts every other object. Thus, if the Earth attracts an apple towards itself, then the apple also attracts the Earth towards itself with the same force. Why then does the apple fall towards the Earth, but the Earth does not move towards the apple? Yes, right. The apple also attracts the Earth, but the mass of the apple is negligible as compared to the mass of the Earth. Therefore, the Earth does not move towards the apple. Same thing happens between the Earth and the Moon. We already know that the gravitational force due to the Earth acts on the Moon, because of which it revolves around the Earth. Such a situation happens in case of artificial satellites orbiting the Earth. The Moon and the artificial satellites orbit the Earth. The Earth attracts natural as well as artificial satellites, but unlike the falling apple, they do not fall on the Earth. Can you tell why? It is so because of the velocity of the Moon and the satellites along their orbits. If this velocity was not there, they would have fallen on the Earth like the falling apple.